The iPhone 15 Pro is now out and I have one here with me. Hey guys, this is Danish and welcome to my channel Dan Talks. Now last week we were all super excited when the iPhone released. I personally was. I know a lot of people were kind of disappointed with the event, but I personally got all the upgrades that I wanted from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in. So here I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the 15 Pro Max. This is the 1 TB version. All right, so let's get opening. Now, I love opening these tabs. And let's get into it. And there we have it. Now, this is the black titanium version. We'll come back to that in just a sec. And oh, we have woven cables now. So Type-C to Type-C. I do hope that because of that, they last a little longer and they're a bit more rugged. I'd be curious to see how dirty they are. Do you think woven cables are a nice thing? Let me know in the comments. So we have that, and then we have SIM card tool, a bit of text, and just one sticker. All right, so let's jump right into that phone. So as far as this titanium is concerned, now before I peel off the cover, I want to look at the back for a bit. Now, this is it right next to my current 14 Pro Max. This is my 14 Pro Max, this is the 15 Pro. The first thing I'm noticing as soon as I hold it is the edginess is gone. Thank God for that. I hated this edginess that the 14 Pro Max had. I absolutely hated it. The 15 is just so nice and rounded over here. I really wanted this to be true, and it is. The next thing, of course, that I want to know is this. Oh, clicky. The very clicky action button, and that we'll see in the setup process. But the rest of it is pretty nice. So if you look here, you've not got these shiny edges anymore. But as per what we've seen online, they still are fingerprint magnets, so that's something to be seen. So the phone is definitely lighter, and for that, I have my friendly weighing scale over here. The iPhone 14 Pro used to be 240. It actually is 241. The iPhone 15 is now 225 grams, which means a nice 10% drop. And from holding this in my hand, I can tell you that it does feel much lighter compared to the 14 Pro Max, but it also does feel a little top heavy. Just a bit feels heavier up here. And now for the part you've all been waiting for. Let's take this peel off. It doesn't sound as awesome as it used to. A bit anticlimactic. But it's all right. Let's switch the phone on. All right, and there we have it. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, apart from the black platinum version, I also have this natural titanium version. They both look absolutely gorgeous, but I think I gave the one up to the natural titanium version. It looks so nice. Now, there's a lot more I want to check out about the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, so stay tuned for that. Do follow, do like, do subscribe. My channel is very small, and I would really like it to grow, so do help me out. But apart from that, before you go, I'd like to check out one or two more little things that are on this 15 Pro Max. So first and foremost, we've got this. We've got the Type-C port. I'm not gonna lie when I say this, I can't believe it. I cannot believe that we live in a world where there are Type-C ports on an iPhone. It's still unbelievable for me to see. But apart from that, we've got iOS 17, and it looks pretty much the same as it always has. But one thing I wanted to check out was this action button. So like I said earlier, nice and clicky, right? Right now it's set to flashlight, but you can set it to silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memos, magnifier, shortcuts, accessibility, and of course, no action. Now I have it set on flashlight, which is what it's on. So when I go, oh, sorry, we have to hold it. So when I hold it, I get my flashlight. So yeah, it works pretty much as the other button did. I don't think it takes much longer, but then if you want to really nitpick, I'm sure you could find something out. But listen, that was just the unboxing and a very, very quick first look at this device. I have so much more that I want to check out. While I create that content about these beautiful devices, why don't you let me know, what do you want to know about any of them? I'd be glad to answer everything in my content, and I'd love for you guys to lead the way. So let me know. Until the next video, this is Danesh on my channel, Dan Talks. Don't forget to support the channel, and I will see you at the next one.